Hello, welcome back to Abhika Creations with Kanchipuram Silk Saree collections. This will be our first collection with purple and brinjal color combination. This will be the pallu of the saree with hangings with heavy worked border. The border will be in the brinjal color with zari worked with peacock design all over the saree. The border is a very rich and heavily worked border, and the saree is also having the blouse which will be in the brinjal color. Next saree will be multicolor combination saree with different colors, yellow, pink, green color combination. This will be the pallu of the saree, which is heavily zari worked pallu with the hangings. If you see the border of the saree, the border is heavily worked with zari work. The box shape zari work design will be there all over the saree with different color combinations. The saree is heavily worked with rich design zari worked all over the saree. The blouse will be there in the saree. This will be the blouse of the saree which they have given. Next collection will be brinjal color saree. This will be the blouse in pink color with heavy border, and this will be the pallu of the saree. And the saree is having a big border zari work with a design of ducks all over the border. Our next collection will be the pink color saree with zari work all over the saree with the box design. And the saree is having a very rich beautiful border with elephant design. This will be the blouse which they have given for the saree, and the border with the pallu, and the saree will be with all over the border. Next saree will be a dark green color saree with pink color pallu, with hangings will be there, and the pallu and the border will be very nice zari work border with horse and elephant design work all over the saree. The blouse and the saree is very nice. This will be the blouse with the pink color. Next collection will be yellow color saree with blue color border and pallu. The pallu is very beautiful with peacock designs in 2 rows all over the saree with the blue color blouse. This saree will be in a musk melon color and purple color combination with a heavily worked zari work. This will be the blouse of the saree, and this will be the pallu of the saree, which will be in the purple color. And the saree is heavily worked all over the saree with a beautiful and heavy border which enhances the design of the saree. My favorite combination, brinjal and pink combination saree. This will be the pallu of the saree, which is heavily worked with hangings. The border is very rich worked border with zari work all over the saree. The border is very grand look border all over the saree. This will be the saree with the blouse in pink color. Next saree collection will be in a golden and maroon color combination. This will be the pallu of the saree with hangings in the pallu, and the saree is heavily worked with golden zari work all over the saree with heavy worked border which enhances the beauty of the people who is wearing this saree. The saree is also having the blouse which will be in maroon color. Next collection will be the autumn collection in red color saree with brinjal border. This will be the border of this saree, and this will be the blouse which they have given for the saree in a brinjal color with a brinjal color pallu, and will be the saree with a heavy zari work border all over the saree. Very beautiful color combination of grey and pink color saree. This will be the blouse for the saree with heavy zari work border, and this will be the pallu of the saree, and this will be the saree in grey color with light pinkish border all over the saree with heavy zari work border. Next collection will be pink color sari with brinjal color combination border. This will be the pallu of the sari in brinjal color with hangings, and this will be the sari with heavy zari work border. The border is very heavy and very beautifully worked border all over the sari with zari work, and this will be the blouse which they have given in brinjal color. Next collection will be cream, golden and pink color combination sari collection. The sari is very beautifully worked with zari work. This will be the blouse of the sari. This will be the pallu of the sari, which is heavily worked with heavy border. The box shaped design work, zari work will be there all over the sari with beautiful border, which looks very pretty when we wear it. Next pattern will be the dark brinjal sari with pink and golden work all over the sari. This will be the blouse in the pink and golden zari work with heavy border, and this will be the pallu of the sari in the same color combination, and the combination of the sari is very beautifully designed in dark color with a pinkish border. Next combination will be yellow and red color combination sari with golden zari work. This will be the pallu of the sari, which is very beautifully worked with a heavy border, which will be fully zari worked border with peacock design in 2 rows all over the sari. The blouse of the sari will be in a red color with the border. This will be the brinjal color sari, which is heavily worked. This will be the pallu of the sari, which will be in red color. The sari will be in a brinjal color with a red color border. The border is very heavy worked border, and the blouse will be in a red color with a border. Next sari will be in a black and red color combination sari. The sari will be in a black color with heavily zari worked in a peacock design. This will be the blouse of the sari, and this will be the pallu of the sari. The sari is heavily worked in zari work. Last collection of this video will be pink color sari with heavily worked in a silver zari work all over the sari. This will be the pallu of the sari, which is heavily worked in silver color zari work with a peacock design in the pallu, and the sari is fully worked all over the sari with this small zari worked flowers in the sari, and the sari is also having the beautiful blouse with the same design in the sari with the peacock border with heavy zari work. Thank you for watching our sari collection video. If you like our sari collections, you can order us on WhatsApp number, and if you like our video, you can like and subscribe.